So far, we have been learned how to create a data by using a table and forms to collect the data, as well as we have been learned about formatting and managing a data. These things we have been learned. Now, one more important thing in a database, that is nothing but creating a relationship between a data points. For example, we have a here data. One data is nothing but this particular table represent the customer details. Okay, they have been purchased different products. They have been purchased, and you have been stored product information in a some other table. Product information is there in a this particular table. Second table we have a product information where we have been created a products like here laptop, how much it cost, profit margin, many other information you may be having here. So when we have a different informations in a different table, we need to create a relationship between them. In the sense in the sense we have to create a relationship. Why we have to create a relationship? Because by that we'll come to know that okay, we can create a report easily. As well as when you are using this database in any other platform like a Tableau or Power BI, where you are connecting this database with any other platforms, when you are connecting this database, it will be very easy to analyze when there is a relationship. How to create that relationship? To create a relationship very easy, we have to go to database tool database tool, select a relationship. Okay, now the blank relationship, here it is there. To add a table, we have to select this one, add tables. Now your table will come. Which are the table you have in this particular file? Three tables are there: demo, product, and sales. I would like to create a relationship between a demo and a product. So we'll select a demo, added here, product, add. Okay, by default there is a close here, this one. Okay, you can observe here, by default there is one relationship has been created between a product and product. In the sense itself it is identified there is a relationship between a product and product. In case if this relationship is not there, in case this relationship is not there, okay, we have to create a relationship, new relationship you would like to create. How to create the relationship? Select this product, okay, drag it towards the second one here, product. Now it will be relationship pop-up will come. Otherwise you can say edit relationship here. Okay, edit relationship, select this one, edit relationship, select which is the first one, table to the query, because here this relationship I haven't created. For that, first we have to create a relationship, that is a drag and drop here. Now you can see between a product and demo table there is a relationship will be there, and between a product and product we are going to create a relationship, right? Product and product, because they are the common column in a both the table. Then we can say create. Now you have been created a one relationship, you already created one relationship. If you like to view the relationship report, you can click on here, relationship report. You will get to know about what type of the relationships are there. Okay, so far we have been created. Okay, come back to the relationship, go to design and close. Okay, you can close this one, right click, close, say yes you like to change. Okay. Okay, like this we can create a relationship between a multiple tables by using a database tools relationship. Anytime if you like to edit the relationship, again you have to come back, database tools, relationship, it will show existing relationship here. Okay, you can edit relationship by using this one. Okay, you can select which relationship to be edited, select that one, select that particular line and say edit relationship to edit it back to any of the way. Okay, if you like to clear this relationship, you don't want any relationship here, you can say clear relationship. If you have a multiple relationship, you can go with the all relationship tab. Okay, if you like to hide any of the relationship, any of the table field like this, you can select any of the relationship, and if you have a multiple relationship, you can hide any of the relationship. Okay, you can hide the table, one of the table, or you can direct the relationship also. Okay, this is a way we can edit or create a relationship between a different database.